7 ways to pay your house off fast. Number 1, $100 extra a month on your loan. Let's say we had a loan repayment of $2,500 a month. That loan is made up of 2 elements, the principal and the interest. Now, the interest doesn't actually pay the loan off. It's dead money that goes to the bank, never to be seen again. The only bit that pays the loan off is the principal. So if we just add an extra $100, that goes to principal. So instead of paying $500 of your principal, we're paying $600, and that's a 20% increase. So therefore, we're going to pay the 25-year loan off 20% faster, which is 5 years, right? Method number 2, wash your wages through your loan. Simply paying your wage, your entire wage to your loan, and then drawing out what you need will pay that loan off super fast. Method number 3, live off an interest-free credit card. We live off the credit card and we pay for everything with the credit card, and then a day before interest is charged, we then clear those payments. Instead of having our money go straight out the door, we're living off for a month off the credit card, and our money that we would have spent otherwise is sitting on our mortgage, reducing the interest charge. If we're getting charged less interest, then our repayment is going to push the loan down more, because more of our repayment will go to principal than it's going to the interest charge. Method number 4, pay all your bills at the last safe moment. So if the telephone company is going to give you 30 days to pay your phone bill, why pay it straight away? Pay it the day before it's due, and for that 30 days, your $300 or whatever your phone bill is can sit on your mortgage, reducing interest. So we go and get a month out of the phone company, and then the day before it's due, we then pay it with what? Method number 3, the credit card. Number 5, put your tax return on your mortgage. Now, why leave the money with the ATO? If you get a tax return every year, why leave it with them? Get the money and get it put into your mortgage. Remember, $100 makes a big difference. So if you get a $2,000 tax return, put that on your mortgage, that's going to make a big difference as well. Number 6, put your surplus rents onto your mortgage. So when you've got a few other properties and you've got money starting to come in, eventually as the rents rise, your investment properties will become positive. So then, instead of paying the investment property down, leave that even ideally on interest only and put all that extra money onto your own home, because the interest on your own home is not tax deductible, but the interest on the investment loans is. All right, and the last method, and this one's actually hard for some people to get their head around, but it's called chunking. The easier way to get money is to own something that goes up in value. The goal is to pay our mortgage off. That's what this is about. But a smarter technique might actually be to put nothing on the mortgage initially and put all of that spare money into buying investment properties. Let's say we've got a $400,000 mortgage. Well, we just need that investment property to go up in value by $400,000 or $500,000. And then we could go and get a loan against the investment property for that money, paid off by the increased rent that that property received in the same time, then take that big chunk of money and wipe out our mortgage in a single day. 7 techniques. I hope you found them useful. Cheers.